Speed formula is you use your formula triangle, DST. You know, do stupid things.
Are you serious?
Do sexy things.
Stop it.
Let's start. First question, 12.5, correct. 1 mark. This is a straight line. A straight line has a total of 180 degrees. So you take 180 minus 132, sorry, 48. And when we get here to be 48, you can use the angle rule, Z shape. So teacher quickly highlight the Z shape, right? So if this is X, it's going to be same as 48. So straight away, you use this angle property. What is the name of this angle property? Alternate, very good. So you know this is alternate angles. So if you look at the corner, this is a 2 marks question, meaning to say you have to show working. So 48, of course, you have to show how to get 48 minus 132, and you will get 48 to be your working here. 1 mark, final answer, 1 mark. 13. Okay, that is absolutely correct. You see, prime number, you go for 13, 11, 17, 19. 15 is not a prime number. And then you're going to check with your calculator, 195 divided by 11, 13, 17, and 19. You will realize that 13 is divisible. Put a ring, Beyonce, around each of the symbol and make this statement correct. Beyonce, put a ring. 0.5 is 50%. How did I know? You want to change anything to percentage, you just times 100%, and that will lead you to 50%. If you want to know about 5%, 5% is actually 0.05. Okay, because 0.05 times 100% is 5%. Okay, so you must remember 5% is 0.05. So if I were to do this question, I'm going to put a ring on larger, right? Larger. Why do they give this though? Why do they give this though? Perhaps this answer also accepted, but I will prefer this one. 3 and 1 here. Bracket starts first due to bit mass. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. I think that is absolutely a great idea. We're going to do question 5. 170. I agree with you. $170. I agree with you. Marek buys a computer for $420. He sells it at a loss of 15%. If I sell something that has already lost the value by 15%, that means I'm selling a product at 85%. You sell something at 85% now. You're not selling 100%. Okay, so you sell at a loss. So 85% stands for 0.85. And you're going to stick to original price times 0.85. You will get the answer to be 357. So that is actually my working. Selling at 85%. Number divided by number. So 32 divided by 4. Algebra, when you see same base and a divide, means you're going to minus on the powers. So 32 minus a 4. You're going to take calculator. 32 divided by 4 is 8. G powers going to minus, so you're going to get 28. That is the answer. And the working. That's it. Speed and average speed is slightly different. Speed formula is you use your formula triangle, DST. You know, do stupid things, do sexy things. So you want to know your speed is distance divided by time. When you see the keyword average speed, something slightly different. You better highlight this. Every time when you see that, you need to go for total distance divided by total time. So you must add the word total. Beatrice walks for 1 kilometer at a speed of 4 kilometers per hour, and then a further 2 kilometers at a speed of 4.5. Correct? You managed to identify the total distance is 3 kilometers. So you plug in first. Now, total time is the issue here because your clues didn't tell you about the time. They only give you, the other two information. So we can't continue our working over here. You do your working at the site. So time number 1. Time number 1. How to get the time number 1? You go for your formula. Time is actually distance divided by speed. Go for this again. Right? Time is distance over speed. So I am going to get my first distance, 1 kilometer. divided by my speed, 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, so you will get the time to be 1/4. The unit is in hour. Can you see this? It's in hour, so stick to this hour. Time number 2. Time number 2, same formula. You're going to take the total distance, 2 kilometer, divided by your speed. Your speed is 4.5 this time. Can you use calculator and solve me time number 2? You will see your calculator showing 0.444444, and you're going to press the fraction button to be 4/9. So leave the answer in fraction. It's okay. Put hour because your unit is in hour for time. So we get our time 1 and we get our time 2 plus together for your continuation of your working over here. So plus together 1/4 hour plus another 4/9 hour. And you continue to show your working, man. When you plus together, what is that? 25/36. It's okay. We have the calculator to assist. And we will get the final answer now. 48/25. It's always good. If you change to decimal, then you may accidentally round up or round down. Don't do it. Supposed to put 2 marks or 3 marks. Every year should be 2 to 3 marks. So this particular paper, October, November 2021, only 1 mark. All right. Anyhow, I still want you to use the working. Can we do the working now? So the dot on the 2 and the dot on the 7 shows that it's recurring. So let x equals to 0.272727. So I show the number repeat itself 3 times. Okay, show it repeat 3 times. If you show just 2727, 2 times not enough. Now, the technique says you're going to let 10x. So you take this number times 10, you will get 2.727272 ... So it's not a very good choice. Take 100 times x. So you take this value and times with 100. You will move 2 spots. So you will get 27.2727. 27 ... Okay, enough already. So which two seems to have the same back end values? And you see the x and 100x will have the same back values. What happens when you have chosen these two? You notice the back part will cancel off each other perfectly. So 100x minus x, you will get 99x. 27 minus 0, you will get 27. Finally, you're going to make x a subject, which is 27/99. Can use your calculator to simplify. Yes, indeed, they can be divisible by 9, right? And you will get 3/11. Matching. 10, 10. These are the 4 first terms for a sequence. Find the next term in the sequence. Let me know. Very fast. Minus 13, 1 mark. What is the formula? This is the easiest sequence. How to see? You do your checking like this. 3 going to -1. This is a -4. -1 to -5, this is a -4. -5 to -9, this is a -4. The moment you see is consistent. After check 1 time, you find out to be consistent, then this is what you say arithmetic or linear sequence. So this is a linear sequence. When you have a linear sequence, straight away write the formula. Formula is a plus d bracket n minus 1. The easiest sequence out there, linear, first one. A stands for first term. First term is 3. So quickly write 3 plus. What is the meaning of D? D means you move from one term to another term. What is the difference? The difference is a -4. So you must write D as a -4. So I knew that I write plus. Never mind. You can write a -4 bracket. The formula says n minus 1. Expand and simplify, man. So you will get 3 plus, that is -4n. And in the end, you will get a +4. Positive negative is actually a minus. So you will get -4n and you will get +7. So -4n plus 7. You can answer 3 times, compulsory. You substitute n is 1, n is 2, n is 3. So I'm going to substitute this one is 1. -4 plus 7. 3, correct. I'm going to substitute here 2. So -4 times 2, -8 plus 7, -1, correct. If I put 3, then you get -12 plus 7. It's a -5. So the formula works for 3 times. I'm pretty happy it's correct. It's definitely correct. If you really like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more mathematics tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.